Damage wasn't limited to that area either. An apartment complex right here in the capital city was hit pretty hard as well.
Yeah, there's damage to the roof and the side of a building. NBC Local 33's Kennedy Walker is live off Florida and Wooddale with a closer look at the damage there. Kennedy.
Yes, good evening, guys. I'm still here at the apartment complex where a suspected tornado has taken place. Now, I spoke with a few residents, and they say that at the time, they didn't even really know what was going on. A tornado struck the Colonial Terrace condominiums, causing severe damage, whipping debris into the air and leaving apartments in shambles.
I was scared because I never experienced a tornado before.
Here you can see the roof is completely off this building, and right here you can see directly through someone's bedroom.
Something had came through the side of the building. I just thought it was a car, really, because of how strong the sound and the feel of the impact was and the energy around. It was like it absorbed the moment.
Tim Tyner lives in this apartment and was actually on his way to work, but he says his instincts told him to stay inside.
I knew something was coming that was strong, and it was a wind. So I unlocked the door and went back in the house. And as I'm going back in the house, I could feel the wind going by the building, and it gets so strong so quick.
Tim's neighbor Kayla says in the moment, all she could think about was making sure her daughter was safe.
I just immediately grabbed my baby out of her bed and just ran into the closet because I had a feeling it was a tornado, but I didn't exactly know what it was.
Residents like Kayla and Tim who have damage have been relocated to different units until their apartments can be fixed. Thankfully, no injuries were reported. Yes, now as you can see behind me, there are people working hard. This was actually the building that Tim lived in, and they're cleaning out his home right now. Tim says that he can't wait until he moves back in to his apartment, but right now, as I said, he has been relocated to a new place. Reporting live, Kennedy Walker, NBC Local 33.
All right, Kennedy, yeah, dramatic pictures there. Well, tonight.